Building the Future, Green Building in the New Millennium, brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future. Join the conversation today. In order to do our job right as designers and energy consultants, the solar array and the size of the solar array is actually one of the last things that we'll be talking about when it comes to our building design. In our discussions with clients and investors and developers here in Los Angeles, we've really discovered that the main thing that's holding the industry back from incorporating more sustainability features into their projects is this misconception that anything new is risky and costly.
What's important in designing a successful green project is that it relates really well to the external and the internal environment in its context. So what that means is we need to determine the building's placement, orientation, materiality, energy needs, sun patterns, rainfall and drainage, to see how the building can be designed to fit into the immediate environment with the least impact.
Flow, use of space and light, comfort and convenience, even color. These are things that allow us to synthesize our environmental and our aesthetic goals with the budgetary parameters.
It's not one size fits all, not at all. Sustainability, like architecture, is itself an artistic endeavor.
Stay tuned for further episodes where we cover sustainable architecture, landscape design, energy and water management, sustainable materials, technologies, specific cost-saving measures, green certification for buildings, and so much more.